Jurors, you're not to discuss this case, any aspect of this case, with anyone during the course of this trial, and that means exactly what I said. It means among yourselves while you're waiting upstairs in the jury room to be called back down to the courtroom to resume the trial, away from the courthouse. If you have lunch together or breakfast together, or you travel back and forth together, you are not to discuss the case among yourselves. At night, when you're away from the courthouse, in the morning, on weekends, you're not to discuss the case with your family, your friends, and neighbors. Of course, you may tell them you're on a case, and they're going to ask you what type of case it is. It's a criminal case. You stop at that. You're not to discuss any aspects of the case. You're not to form an opinion with respect to the guilt or innocence of this defendant until you've heard all the evidence in the case and the law from the court. You're not to read, watch, or listen to any media reports on the trial of this indictment. Keep in mind during the course of the trial, the concerned court statements yesterday when you first came to this courtroom concerning the burden of proof and the defendant's presumption of innocence. The fact that you are to use your common sense and your life's experience in evaluating the credibility of all witnesses who will testify here during the course of this trial. Those are your instructions. You are to comply with them. Have a pleasant evening. Report back tomorrow morning.